For this next demonstration, you're going to need some materials and tools. Here they are. Hello, my name's Russel Kirk. I'm a puppeteer from the north of Wales. I've come down here today to help you build your very own bird, which you can use in the Orpheus, the Magic Orpheus project this year. So, download your outline of the bird and get it printed off on some thin card if you can. If you don't have card, do it on paper, then you can adhere it, stick it on to some card. First thing we do is cut that out. And I'm going to use coloured card to decorate your bird, to make it come alive. If you don't have any coloured card or coloured paper, you could use felt tip pens as an alternative. First thing we're going to do is the beak, and I'm going to do this by just sliding my yellow paper underneath the beak and drawing around the shape of the beak. Now I've got my piece of paper folded so that when I cut this out I'll have two and I can do both sides straight away. And to stick these on, I'm going to use a Pritt stick, or if you have PVA, you can use that. Next thing, I'm going to give my bird an eye, a small circle of yellow paper or blue paper, anything that isn't white so it shows up. And again, if you fold your paper, you'll get two of the same, so you can do both sides. And of course, in the middle of the eye, you're going to need a pupil, so I'm going to use some black paper for that. But again, if you don't have black paper, a felt tip pen or a biro will do just as well. Next, I'm going to add some feather shapes, some decoration. And really, this is your chance to be creative, to make up some really exciting bits of decoration to go on your bird. And the important thing is you can't possibly go wrong. And remember, if you fold your paper or your card up, every time you cut a shape, you're going to get two or three the same. Next, I'm going to cut a pair of yellow feet. You might want to just draw the shape of the feet first of all, so you know what you're doing. Onto the yellow card, again fold it over. I'm going to cut that then 2 feet, and using the Pritt stick, attach it to the front of my bird. And when we've done that, the very last thing then is to put a stick on it so you can hold it up and make it fly. Now I'm going to use a pea stick, but a piece of twig, anything, going to cut a bit off a tree, that would work nicely for it. And I'm going to use a piece of masking tape to stick it on. Here we go, and it's ready to fly.